So from a leader's perspective, a small business owner's perspective, we have to understand that it's not really about us and who we are. It's important that we understand who we are and our personality or our disc profile, but it's more about how we interact with the people that mean the most to us and are part of our team every day, and how to help them be the most productive. And that could be in your face, depending on who that person is, but it could also be sitting back and talking very calmly and getting things done that way.
It's a willingness to meet them. Again, another sports analogy, but it's a willingness to play on their home field, right? It's a willingness to say, okay, I know Greg is naturally and I don't think this is true for you, but for the sake of this example, right? Greg is naturally an introverted, task-oriented person who likes to sit down and kind of steadily go through the numbers and the logic of a presentation. If I'm not willing to ever do that with you, then I'm not making that deposit into your emotional bank account. I'm not willing to play on your home field. When I do that and I'm willing to play on your home field, it's a huge deposit in the emotional bank account. So the next time and the next time you're feeling like, okay, good. Yeah, Dale gets me. Dale understands it and I appreciate it. And then when I'm on the high, fast-paced go side, you'll give me some leeway.